Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the fourth video, I will guide you to fix login is taking a while. Hold tight if you on a Clash Royale. So if you are on the login page and it's taking a bit of time to fix it, but you don't have to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Clash Royale on your device and see if you are able to log in a very easy way or not. If it is showing same like this and it's saying hold on tight, then you'll be able to see the option of help and support after a while on the Clash Royale login page. So you'll be able to see the option of help and support on the Clash Royale page. So if you are seeing the option, you may simply click on it with the customer care. But if you're not seeing it and if you're still not been able to log in, then you just need to go to settings on the device. You just need to click on the option Clash Royale. You will see the option of storage like this, so open it and click on the option of clear cache like this. So by clearing the cache, you'll be able to fix the issue which is occurring on the app and also help you restart the app again. So by doing this, so if it works, then that's good. If it doesn't, then you just need to go to Play Store or App Store on the device and you just need to search Clash Royale and check if there is any update available. So if there is any update available, click on the option of update at the and you will be able to fix the issue of it. So that's it. That's how you can fix the issue occurring on Clash Royale. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.